Hello everyone, I am Deborah Fit550. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And today, you guys, we are going to make our own kind of special with a zucchini lasagna roll. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have got all the ingredients laid out in front of me that we're gonna need to put these together. And once I do, you guys, this is what they look like. They look really good, don't they? Yes, they do. Everything that you would find in a traditional lasagna, except the pasta is being replaced by a strip of zucchini. So let's go ahead and get started in putting these together. And what we're gonna do is we are going to start with putting the zucchini strips into the oven just so they can become a little bit more pliable and also so they can release a little bit of their moisture. All right, everyone, so let's go ahead and get the zucchini strips laid out onto this baking platter. And also what I did is I have a mandarin, so that's what I use to cut these, and as you can see, they are super thin. Just the way we need them. And I am using a 8x8 baking dish, and I measured, and it's going to be approximately, I think 16 is what that container will hold. So I've got 10 here, 12, and I'm going to need one more container to put these on, and then off to the oven they'll go for about 10 minutes, again, just so they can become a little bit more pliable, and then also they will release a little bit of their moisture. And what I'm going to do with this is just sprinkle just a little bit of salt on these. And I'm going to get another baking sheet and fill those up with these zucchini strips, and off to the oven these goes. And when we come back, you guys, I am going to show you how to put together the filling. All right, everyone, now for the filling. So in this bowl, I've already got my ricotta cheese, and to it, I am going to add an egg, and of course all the ingredients and the measurements for this recipe are in the description as well as on the screen. I'm going to add that in. I'm going to mix this together, and then we are going to add to it some Italian seasoning. Now I'm going to add some parmesan cheese. And then some mozzarella. Go ahead and mix all of this together. And this is our cheese base. And the reason why I say this is because if you want to do a meatless roll, then you would just stop right here. But I'm gonna have a combination of meatless as well as some with some ground turkey. All right, guys, so in this bowl, I'm gonna put some of the cheese mixture, and to it, I'm gonna add the ground turkey. Now, this ground turkey is leftover from last night. We had a Big Mac salad, so we cooked this up last night, and the only thing that is in it is some salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Of course, you can add seasonings of your choice. You can use beef if you like, but again, we favor ground turkey, and that's what we're gonna be using. And mix that in. Okay, now our filling is ready. So at this point, we just need to wait for the zucchini strips to come out of the oven and cool down a little bit, and then we will be ready to put it all together. So everyone, I just wanted to show you these zucchini strips. They are out of the oven, and what I did is I just put a piece of paper towel over the top of these just so it could soak up some of this moisture. And again, just need them to cool down some so we'll be able to work with them. And about 10-15 minutes and we'll be ready to put this all together. See you soon. Okay, everyone, it did not take these long at all to cool down. So let's go ahead and start filling these. So just to let you know, I coated the bottom of my baking dish with some low-carb marinara sauce that I got from Thrive Market, okay? Put a little, don't overstuff it because if you do, it's gonna just come out anyway, so. That. Just leave a little space at the end and just proceed to roll. And there you have it, okay? Put it on your baking dish like that and then continue on. Okay, I've used all the meat filling and I'm going to continue on with just the cheese filling. All right, everyone, look at this. This looks amazing. Okay, so just a couple more things we need to do before we put this in the oven. Just give it just a little bit more sauce. Just keep in mind, you guys, because again, the zucchini will release a lot of moisture. Don't overdo it. Just a little bit on top. This reminds you of a traditional lasagna. Like that. Okay. Now for some more cheese. Just so it'll be nice and bubbly on top, because remember, it's stuffed with cheese, so we don't need to overdo it here either. And last, I am going to put a little bit more of Parmesan. And just like that, you guys, this is ready for the oven. So we are going to bake it at 375 for about half hour, or until this is nice and bubbly and all the cheeses have come together and melted, you guys. You will be able to tell when it is ready. So I'll see you in about half hour. Okay, everyone, hot out of the oven. Feast your eyes on this. Oh my gosh. This looks and smells amazing. Oh my goodness, you guys. But I have to wait until it cools down some before we dig in. So I'm gonna go exercise or something to take my mind off of this. So I will see you guys real soon and we will give this a taste. Okay, everyone, the wait is over. Let's go ahead and dig into this. Guys, this looks and smells. Look at that. Amazing. That is a thing of beauty. One more. All right, you guys. Okay, it's time to give it a taste. And here we are, you guys, with this delicious low-carb zucchini lasagna rollatini. Lord, I thank you. guys, there are no words other than get your fork and dig in. Oh my gosh, absolutely phenomenal is this. Has all the flavors of a traditional lasagna without all the carbs in it. Life just got really, really good. This is phenomenal. Guys, give this a try. And when you do, please leave the comments and let everyone know just how phenomenally delicious this is. Oh my goodness. Wonderful recipe is what this is. Absolutely delicious, you guys. So, remember to give this video a like and share. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by hitting that subscribe button below. Because this is where I make it happen, you guys, with delicious low-carb recipes such as this, that you who are low-carb and those that are not can enjoy life. Because my husband is not low-carb and he is going to dive into this. I promise you he is. So you guys, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you guys real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thank you guys so much and enjoy.